Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinazo Cynthia. On today's video, we are going to be talking about face and body moisturizers that you can use if you have a dry skin type. The products I am going to be listing are going to be products that have been specifically formulated for people of the dry skin type. I know that there are some products that are formulated for all skin types, yes, but the truth still remains that some people who have an extremely dry skin might not find those moisturizers nourishing or replenishing enough for their dry skin type. All right, so in today's video I'll be listing face moisturizers, body moisturizers that are going to be befitting for you if you have a dry skin type. Now, I had to pick from both the high-end brands and from the cheap brands. Just go for anyone you think you can afford. Dry skin simply means lack of oil in your skin. Your sebaceous glands are not producing enough oil. All right, so you need products that are going to be moisturizing your skin enough in order to retain oil in your skin. Now, coming over to your face moisturizer, the very first brand I'm going to be recommending for you is the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer. I'm going to be attaching pictures of these moisturizers on the screen. All right, these products have been formulated specifically for people of the dry skin type. If you have been using some certain moisturizers that have not been moisturizing your skin enough, try out this particular brand. All right, now the second moisturizer I am going to be recommending for you is the Face Facts Ceramide Face Cream. Now, when you get this moisturizer, you are going to realize that they are thick in consistency. Now, the essence of them being thick is simply in order for them to help you retain moisture in your skin. As someone who has a dry skin type, you do not need moisturizers that are lightweight in consistency. All right, because they are going to evaporate easily from your skin. You do not need such moisturizers. Get you a thick moisturizer. Now, this particular face pack moisturizer is highly affordable. Trust me when I say it is highly affordable. It is not more than 4,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. That is how cheap it is. Just in your location, just check out. This is an affordable moisturizer. For the Cetaphil is on the high side. If it's something you can get, try it out, my dear. And coming over to the third face moisturizer is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. This moisturizer still very okay, still pricey. It is pricey, but trust me, when you buy it, it is worth the price. Coming over to the fourth moisturizer, this one might have a little bit controversy, but personally I believe it is going to favor people of the dry skin type, and this is the simple replenishing moisturizer. Now, although they said on the pack that it is for all skin types, but I believe that someone who has a dry skin can still benefit from it. It is a rich moisturizer. It is also affordable. Just try it out if you cannot afford the high-end brand moisturizers. We're going to be moving to your body moisturizers. Now, the same rule still applies. Go for moisturizers that are thick in consistency. Now, coming over to the very first is going to be the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Moisturizer. I really do not know the price. Just check your location and know how much they have it there for you. The next is the Nivea. Yes, Nivea has certain moisturizers that have been formulated for all skin types. But this particular one I am giving you was specifically formulated for people of a dry skin type. Nivea Rich Nourishing Moisturizer. It is highly nourishing. Get it. I believe it's going to be affordable. Now, the next moisturizer I have for you is the Jergens Ultra Healing Body Moisturizer. Still very, very okay for people of the dry skin type, specifically formulated for people of the dry skin type. We also have the Aveeno Restorative Skin Therapy Body Moisturizer. The picture is on the screen. It is going to be a bit on the high side. I do not know the price, but trust me when I say it is going to be good for you if you have a dry skin type. Now, while getting your moisturizers or any of your skincare products, I am a very big fan of know the ingredient list. You should be able to read through the ingredient list and understand it, at least to an extent. You should know what and what are contained in your skincare products. Yes. Now, if you have a dry skin type, there are some certain ingredients you should always look out for when you are purchasing your skincare products, especially your moisturizers. The emollients, the occlusives, and the humectants. When we talk about humectants are simply skincare ingredients that help to draw water to your skin. Now, examples of these ingredients are hyaluronic acid, glycerin, urea. If you have a dry skin type, you should look out for these ingredients in your skincare products. Now, the next are the occlusives. Occlusives are simply skincare products that help to create a physical barrier between your skin and the environment in order to prevent dehydration. All right, these particular skincare ingredients do not allow moisture to pass through them into the environment, so they serve as a barrier. Example of these skincare ingredients are things like shea butter, argan oil, olive oil, petrolatum. That is where you can get your Vaseline. So when you are getting your skincare products as a dry skin type, look out for these ingredients because they are going to help you retain moisture into your skin. Now, the next are the emollients. Now, emollients are kind of similar to the occlusives. What emollients do for you is that emollients help to seal in moisture into your skin. They do almost the same work with your occlusives. Example of these emollients are your oils. They help to seal in the moisture. That is why it is always advised that people of the dry skin type should have body oils. Why? Because oils help to seal in the moisture that your moisturizer is giving to your skin. It still cuts across all skin types, but I'm being particular about people of the dry skin type because your glands are not producing enough oil. All right? Good. Other skincare ingredients you should also look out for if you have a dry skin type are ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, and peptides. These skincare ingredients are going to help retain moisture into your skin. They are going to help give your skin that moisture that it is lacking. I am going to be giving you some tips you can use to help your dry skin type. You might be using the best skincare products for your skin as someone who has a dry skin type, but trust me, there might be some things you are doing that are actually hindering those skincare products to work. So I am going to be giving you some tips that are going to help your dry skin type. Firstly, trust me, you would love to be applying your body moisturizers on a damp skin. Apply your moisturizers on a damp skin. Why? Your damp skin enables your body moisturizers to penetrate deeper into your skin and do its job basically. You do not want to apply your body moisturizers on a dry skin. Now, the second one is avoid hot showers. If you cannot take cold baths, yes, then try a warm bath. Just do everything possible to avoid hot showers. Why? Because hot showers actually strips off the natural oils that your skin produces. Now, imagine you as someone who has a dry skin type, your body is not even producing enough oil, and you are using a hot shower, which is obviously stripping off the little oil that your skin is producing. You are just getting your skin drier the more. Your skin is becoming stressed, should I put it that way? But please avoid hot showers if you have a dry skin type. Now, coming over to the next, which is going to be avoid fragrance products. Make use of products that are fragrance free if you have a dry skin type. Why? Because products that contain fragrance are going to irritate your skin and dry out your skin the more. Now, this is going to be leading us to the next, which is over cleansing. As someone who has a dry skin type, avoid over cleansing. Now, when I say over cleansing, what do I mean? Some persons are so fond of spending hours in the bedroom doing what I really do not understand. You over cleansing, it is still going to be stripping out the little moisture that your skin has. All right, you are actually stressing your skin barrier with that over cleansing. Last tip I have here for you is exfoliation. Yes, I want you to note something. Because you are told to make sure you are not exfoliating more than 3 times in a week, does not mean you should exfoliate exactly 3 times in a week. Exfoliation largely depends on one's skin type and skin concern. There are some skin types that really do not need to exfoliate 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. There are some persons that exfoliate once in a week and it's working for them. I hope you know that exfoliation actually dries out the skin. Do you know that? Exfoliation dries out the skin. So if you have a dry skin type and you've been exfoliating maybe 2 times or 3 times in a week, and you are still noticing that your skin is still always dry, even after applying your moisturizers or your body oils, try to cut down the number of times you exfoliate in a week. Why not try once in a week and see how it goes? Yes, you must not exfoliate 3 times in a week. Right? So guys, if this video was helpful to you in any way, please do all to subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and also hit the notification bell so that when next I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified.